Hi, I am Siddharth. I am from CSIT branch. Here I am you to tell about deletion of an element in an array. Here we can see the introduction. An array is a collection of data items, all of the same type, accessed using a common name. A one-dimensional array is like a list. A two-dimensional array is like a table. The C language places no limits on the number of dimensions in an array, though specific implementations may. Some texts refer to one-dimensional arrays as vectors, two-dimensional arrays as matrices, and use the general term arrays when the number of dimensions is unspecified or unimportant. Here, declaring the arrays. The arrays variables are declared identically to variables of their data type, except that the variable name is followed by one pair of square brackets. Here we can see the square brackets for each dimension of the array. The initialized arrays must have the dimension of their rows, columns, etc. The listed within the square brackets. The dimensions used when the declaration of array in C must be positive integral constants or constant expressions. In C99, the dimensions must still be positive integers, but variables can be used. So long as the variables have positive value at the time the array is declared. Here the examples int ij. Here we declared the integer int, int array 10 number, float array 1000. In int table array 3 and 5 which taken in a square brackets. The constant int n rows is equals to 100. The constant in n columns is equals to 200. The follow matrix n rows and n columns. Here for C99 example, int num elements. The printf, here we're taking the printf, how big an array do you want? And the scanf as a person, here the n num elements. If num elements is less than or equal to 0, printf error. Exit the statement 0. Double data, which is given as square brackets num elements, plain C. Installation arrays. Arrays may be initialized when they are declared just as an array other variables. Place the initialization data in a curly braces following the equal sign. Note the use of commas in the examples below. And an array may be partially initialized by providing fewer data items than the size of array. The remaining array elements will be automatically initialized to 0. If an array is to be completely initialized, the dimensions of the array is not required. The compiler will automatically size the size the array to fit the initialized data. The variation multi-dimensional array. See the below. The examples here int I taken as 5 and the int array 6 items is equals to in a curly braces 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 and 5 and 6. Here k. The float sum is equals to zero point 0 float array is 100 which is equals to in curly braces 1.0 f 5.0 f 20.0 f. The, the double pi fractions in is equals to 3.14 comma 1.59 comma 0.78. Usage of array. The elements of an array are accessed by specifying the index offset of the desired element within a square bracket after the array name. The array subscripts must be of integer types, which is int, long int, character, etc. The array indicates start at 0 in C and goes to 1 less than the size of array. For example, a 5 elements array will have indices 0 through 4. This is because the index in C is actually an offset from the beginning of the array. The most common mistake when working with arrays in C is forgetting that indices starts at 0 and stop 1 less than array size. The arrays are commonly used in conjunction with loops and in order to perform the same calculations on all or some part of the data items in the array. Here, the delete element from an array. When write a C program to delete from an array at a specified position, how to remove element from an array at a given position in C programming. The logic to remove the reforming from any given position in an array is in C program. The program should also print an error message if the deletion position is invalid. The example, take an input, the input array elements, the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. The input position to be deleted is the 2. The output will be given as the array elements 10, 30, 40, 50 only. Here we can see the logic to remove an element from an array. The array is a linear data structure. It provides index based on fast mechanism to access its elements. But intersection or deletion from an array is costly operation. Literally speaking, there isn't any such as deleting element from an array. In generally, you copy elements of the array towards left. Suppose I say you need to delete the second element from the given array, you will do it as step by step descriptive logic to remove the element from an array. Move to the specified location when you want to remove in a given array. Copy the next element to the next element of the array, which is you need to perform array I is equals to array I plus 1. Repeat the above steps till the last element of an array. Finally, decrement the size of array by 1. Here we can see the original array as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and the element to be deleted, copying of elements, and the final array will be 10, 30, 40, 50. Here the implementation algorithm, the algorithm is given as the first point, the set an index value as -1 initially. That means index is equals to -1. Get the key value from the users which needs to be deleted. Search and store the index of a given key. The index will be -1 if the given key is not presented in the array. If the index not equal to -1, shift all the elements from index plus 1 by one position to the left. Print or else print element not found. Here we can see the first example, hash include stdio dot h define the size 5. The int main taken here, the integer of an array size 120 50 78 30. Here integer key value and the index will be equal to -1, and the print enter the element to be deleted, and the scan and key for I is equals to 0, I less than size I plus plus. If I is equal to key, index is equal to I, then use a break statement. If index not equal to -1, for I is equal to index I less than size -1, I plus plus, array of I is equal to array of I plus 1. For I equal to 0, I less than size -1, I plus plus. Else printf print element not found return 0. Here we can see the output of the given example. Enter the element to be deleted, which we enter input as 1, and the new array will be 25, 38, 78, and 30. Initially the array is 1, 25, 78, 30. Here we can see the second example as int main. We can integer array max underscore size. The integer we taken as I, size, and position. The print enter the size of the array or scan the size. Print the element, enter elements in the a. For I is equals to 0, I less than size I plus plus scan array in I. Print enter the element position to be deleted. Scan of the position. If the position is less than 0 and or position greater than size, print of invalid position, please enter position between 1 to size. Else for position I equal to position -1, I less than size -1, I plus plus. Here print f elements of an array after date are. For I is equal to 0, I less than size I plus plus, print an array I, return 0. Here we can see the output. The enter the size of the array. The size of the array should be 5. and the elements in the array should be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and the position of the element that should be deleted is 2. The element of array after delete is 10, 30, 40, 50. Here now we can see the deletion of an element in a array. Thank you.